wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rolling totes for teachers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you need something simple that will get the job done, the airlibiano Professional is for you. Its discreet aesthetic makes it a good choice for university professors who have both classes and business meetings on the same day. The shoulder strap is detachable and it's got an attractive pattern lining. However, it can't accommodate bulky books. At number 9, even if you can't keep rowdy young students in order, you can at least ensure your belongings are organized in the Everything Merry Craft case. Boasting 9 storage compartments and rip-resistant polyester, this is one impressive accessory. It can hold large binders and comes with durable side handles, but the prints are too cutesy for some. Coming in at number 8 on our list, you'll never fumble to find supplies for Painting 101 again when you have the smartly designed Artbin Express. It features 2 massive bags that attach via durable buckles. You can take the whole thing along or separate it for lighter days. It's equipped with an extremely spacious lower compartment and a well-padded shoulder strap. However, the wheels are stiff at first. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Rolling Totes for Teachers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, transition swiftly from the daytime role of paper grader to your evening activities using the stylish and functional Heritage Travelware Lakeview. Those who can't be without their technology will like that it accommodates a 17-inch laptop and has a pocket for a tablet. It comes with smooth rolling inline skate wheels and can also be carried like a purse, but it shows scratches easily. Moving up our list to number 6. With a 75-loop pen caddy, 3 exterior flaps that open completely for easy retrieval of the contents, and a deep main compartment, the Crop-In Style XXL is ready for a long day of enriching young minds. It also has interior dividers for managing your larger items. It's well balanced, even when fully loaded, and features high-quality stitching throughout. However, it is heavy, even when empty. Halfway up our list at number 5. Available in simple, solid-colored options as well as cheerier prints, there's an Olympia Deluxe for every personality. Large enough to call itself an overnight bag, this model is perfect for busy individuals who pack school equipment and gym supplies for the day ahead. It includes quick-access Velcro side pockets and large stoppers that prevent scuffs. Plus, it's pretty lightweight at under 5 pounds. At number 4, if you oversee several grades and need craft supplies for K through 12, the luxcraft scrapbook has you covered. Its stain-resistant fabric, along with a generous number of easy-access pockets, make it an educator's dream come true. The handle can be set to 2 heights, and it has 2 removable pouches. It's relatively comfortable to carry too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Nobody said educators can't be fashionable. The J.K.M. & Company Caramel looks good and has tons of features someone with a full class schedule will appreciate, like a removable padded sleeve for a tablet, plus both zippered and open pockets. It also includes a concealed rear compartment and a handle that tucks away when retracted. It fits in small spaces. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Rolling Totes for Teachers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, priced just right for a teacher's salary, the Olympia Shopper has a roomy main compartment that can hold plenty of textbooks. Its rugged wheels can navigate all sorts of terrain, from gravel to cracked sidewalks, effortlessly. It boasts a telescoping handle that adjusts smoothly, a material that holds up to lots of views, and a mesh pocket for water bottles. And taking the top spot on our list, the Lily Bloom Unisex comes with several well-placed zippered compartments that make it easy for teachers to keep pens, papers, and various essentials just where they need them. An ergonomic handle allows it to be comfortably lugged around a big campus. It's available in 4 cute patterns, all backed by a 5-year warranty and made of recycled materials. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Rolling Totes for Teachers, or simply click beneath this video.